MSI today introduced the Gaming Series MAG Pylon, an ATX mid-tower case characterized by tempered glass panels, and MSI Mystic Light RGB readiness. The case features 4 mm thick tempered glass making up both its left and right side panels, and front panels. The rest of the case is made of 0.6 mm thick SECC steel. Under the hood is a conventional horizontal dual partition layout. The upper main compartment serves up room for graphics cards up to 37 cm in length, and CPU coolers up to 16.5 cm in height. The bottom compartment is completely enclosed from the left side, and has an RGB LED-illuminated MSI Gaming logo near the PSU bay. Storage features include two 3.5-inch drive bays in the bottom compartment, which can each hold 2.5-inch drives, and 4 2.5-inch drive mounts behind the motherboard tray. Cooling includes 3 120mm or 2 140mm front intakes, with 3 factory-fitted 120mm RGB LED-lit fans, 2 140/120mm top exhausts, and a 120mm rear exhaust. Front panel connectivity includes 2 each of USB 3.0 and USB 2.0/1.1 ports, and HDA jacks. The company didn't reveal pricing.